Good morning, friends. Good morning. Welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Today's topic is mean. Today's topic is mean. In statistics, one more important point is mean, median, mode. What is mean? What is median? What is mode? Welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube. What is mean? What is median? What is mode? These all are central values. Mean is nothing but average only. Mean and average both almost both are same. Almost both are same. Then what is the difference between mean and average? Mean and average. For example, what is the average of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? What is the average of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? So average already we completed, even though once again try to find the average of these numbers. What is the average? 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 by 5. So here what is the total? 60 plus 40, 100. 50 plus it is 50, 100. So total 200. 200 by 5. 200 by 5, this is equal to 40. What is the average of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? 40. What is the mean of? What is the mean of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? Mean is nothing but average only. Mean formula sum of observations by number of observations when numbers are given. If the numbers are given, its mean is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 by 5. It is 40 only. So, but sometimes they will give the range. For example, find the average of 60 numbers in a find the average marks of 60 students in a class. Easily you can calculate. Find the sum of 60 values divided by 60. But in a college, for example, in a university, 4,000 students are there. In a university, 4,000 students are there. Then how to find the average? How to find the average of these 4,000 students? So don't take a very simple method. First of all, range. How many students got between 0 and 20? How many students got 0 and 20? And 20 to 40, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Find the range. Find the range. For example, between 0 and 20, how many students got the marks between 0 and 20? Let the number of students is A. Between 20 and 40, let the number of students is B. 40 and 60, let number of students C. 60 and 80, let number of students D. Between 80 and 90, 1800, let E. What is the average marks of, what is the mean of all these students? So, the average, the arithmetic mean is equal to, it is denoted as x bar. The mean is denoted as x bar. It is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. It is one formula, and one more formula is sigma fx by n. Sigma fx by n. That is your answer. So what is n? What is n? N means the sum of observations. Here what is n value? The sum of a plus b plus c plus d plus e. This is 4,000. The sum of a plus b plus c plus d is 4,000, because how many students are there in the classroom in the university? 4,000. So then what is f and what is x? F means frequency. F means frequency. The number of students, this is known as frequency. Then what is x? X means mid value. Mid value means middle value. What is the middle value of 0 into 20? 10. So here x value is 10. 20, 40 middle value, 20 plus 40 by 2, 30. 40, 60 middle value 50. 60, 80 middle value 70. 80, 100 middle value 90. Then what is the mean sigma fx? Sigma fx means first of all find the fx value. It is f, it is x. Fx a into 10, 10a, b into 30, 30b, c into 50, 50c, d into 70, 70d, e into 90, 90e. Now sigma fx means find the sum of all these values divided by 4000. That is your answer. Now take one example, then it will be clear. Once you can see, mean means sum of observations by number of observations, and if the range is given, sigma fx by n. Now first of all, find the question, find the mean of the 12, 15, 23, 17, 33. 12, 15, 23, 17, 33. So here two methods are there. First one is the general method, traditional method, which is covered in our primary school or high school and also explained by our all math teachers. Then after that, a simple method. First to find the mean, sum of all these values, 12 plus 15 plus 23 plus 17 plus 33. By how many observations are there? 5 observations. Now find the sum. How to find the sum of all these numbers? First to tens, then next to units. First to tens, next to units. 10, 20, 40, 50 plus 30, 80. 80. Then now tens. 7 plus 3, 10. 13, 18 plus 2, 20. So 80 plus 20, 100. 100 by 5. What is 100 by 5? It is 20. 100 by 5 is equal to 20. So what is the average of 12, 15, 23, 17, 33, 20? What is the mean of 12, 15, 23, 17, 30? Same answer. Same formula. Answer is also same. So here there is no difference between average and mean. And this is one method. Here one more simple method. How to find the mean or average of some given observations in simple way. So here what is the biggest value? The biggest value is 33. What is the smallest value? 12. What is the average? 20. Friends, remember the mean is always less than highest value and more than least value. Less than highest value and more than least value. So here what is the highest value? 33. Least value 12. Between 12 and 33, take the round figure values. Between 12 and 33, two round figure values are there. The one is 20, another one is 30. Okay. And between 12 and 33, what is the approximately middle number? Now here don't take 30 because 30 is very near to 33. 30 is not near to 12. So 20 is approximately near to, it is between 12 and 33. So let temporary average is 20. One simple way. Let any one number assume on temporary average. It's may be right, it's may be wrong. Present temporary average is 20. It's maybe 20. Our answers may be 20 or more than 20 or less than 20. And now take the compare the values with 20. 20 to 12. 12 is 8 less than 20. Therefore, take minus 8. If it is less than, take negative value. If it is more than, take positive value. And 20 and 15. 15 is 5 less than 20. Take negative value minus 5. 23 is 3 more than 20. So take positive value plus 3. And 17 is 3 less than 20. If it is less than, take negative value. And 33 is 13 more than 20. 13. So take positive value. Now simplify. Now simplify the values. Simplify the values. It's plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Minus 8 minus 5 minus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 0. Minus 13 plus 13 0. So our temporary average is 20. Temporary average is 20 plus 0 by, find the average of 0. If it is if the result is 0, your answer is 20 only. Sometimes the result of these numbers is positive. Let x. Now find the average of x. Then 20 plus the average of x is our final answer. Sometimes its result is maybe negative value. If it is a negative value, 20 minus average of this x. Average of x is our final answer. Now next question is there. Now find the answer with our speed method or with a different method, second method. So here 45, 42, 57, 60, 54. The biggest number is 60. The biggest number is 60. The smallest number is 42. So between 42 and 60, one round figure, take any one number. Now I am taking 50. What is 50? It is a temporary average. It is a temporary average. It may be right answer. It may be wrong answer. It may be right or wrong answer. We don't know exact answer. Let temporary averages assume 50. Now compare the values with 50. 45 is 5 less than 50. If it is less than, take negative value. 42 is 8 less than 50, minus 8. 57 is 7 more than 50, plus 7. 60 is 10 more than 50, plus 10. 54 is 4 more than 50, plus 4. Now simplify. Minus 8 to minus 5 minus 8, minus 13. Plus 7 plus 10 plus 4 plus 21. Minus 13 plus 21. How much? 8. 8. Okay, 8. The difference is 8. So if the difference is 0, our final answer is 50 only. In previous case, what is the difference? 0. Therefore our final average, the exact answer is 20 only. But now in present case, difference is 8. If the difference is 8, find the average of 8. 8 by how many numbers are there? 5 numbers. 8 by 5 is equal to 1.6. Therefore, what is the exact answer? 50 plus 1.6 is 51.6. It is equal to 51.6. Now, the mean of 25, 32, 12, 65 and x is 45. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. So, 25 plus 32 plus 12 plus 65 plus x by how many numbers are there? 5 numbers. 5 numbers are there. It is equal to 45. Find the sum of these 4 numbers. First to take tens, then next units. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 5, 125. 125 plus 5, 130. 20 plus 30, 50. 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 134. 134 plus x is equal to 5. Send the 5 from left to right. Now it will become 45 into 5. What is 45 into 5? 45 5s. 45 is 200. 5 5 is 25. 200 plus 25 is 225. 225. Now x is equal to 225 minus 134. 225 minus 134. How much? How much? It is equal to, tell me. 35. 35 is 66 less than. 35 is 66 less than 100. 66 less than 100. And it is 25 more than 100. 25 more than 100. So total it is equal to 60 plus 20. 80, 91. 91 is right answer. 91 is right answer. Okay. X value is 91. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean of the following data. What is the mean formula? What is the mean formula? Sigma fx by n. Sigma fx by n. So here number of students. The number of students, it is x. This value is x. Okay. Number of students, it is a frequency, and marks is x. Marks is x. Now take the next one more column. Next one more column. One more column fx. One more column, find the fx. So what is the 20 into 11? What is the 20 into 11? 220. 220. What is the 21 into 24? 21 into 24 is equal to 24 into 21. Yes or no? X into y is equal to y into x, no doubt. So what is the 24 into 21? 21 divided into two parts, 20 and 1. So 24 into 20 is equal to 480. 24 into 20, 480. Plus 24 into 1, 20. 4 into 1, 24. 480 plus 24 is equal to 504. 504. Then 22 into 18. What is the 22 into 18? Simple method. 22 into 18 is equal to 22 is 20 more, 2 more than 20. 18 is 2 less than 20. So we can write 20 plus 2 into 20 minus 2. So 22 into 18, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So 20 square is 400. 400 minus 2 square is 4. It is 396. 396. 23 into 0. 0. 24 into 15. 24 tens 240. 24 tens 240. 24 fives. Half of 240 is 120. It is 240 plus 120, 360. 25 into 12. Any number multiplied to 25 already we completed. Any number multiplied to 25. First divide with 4. You will get some quotient. After that you will get some remainder also. If the remainder is 0, after the quotient write 2 zeros. If the remainder is 1, write 25. Remainder 2, write 50. 375. Present case the remainder is 12 divided by 4. 4 3s. 4 3s 12. Now remainder 0. 3 after write 2 zeros, so 300. 300. Now find the sum of all these values. This is known as sigma fx. Sigma fx. First to find the hundreds. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 1600. 1600. 1600 plus remaining tens. 96 plus 400. 96 plus 400. 120 plus 60. 180. 180. So it is a total 1780. 1780. So sigma fx is 1780 by n. What is n? N is equal to sum of the frequency. N is equal to sum of the frequency. Find the total 10. First to find the tens. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 10, 30. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60, 62, 70, 75, 80. Total 80. So sigma fx by n, it is 1780. 1780 by 80. 1780 by 80. This 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel. Then both the numbers are cancelled with 2. 2 8s 16. 2 9s 18 by 2 4s. What is 89 by 4? 4 2s 8. 4 2s 8. And 1 is there, take the decimal. 1 after 8, 0, 10. 4 2s 8, 4 5. Therefore, 22.25. 22.25 is right answer. 22.25 is right answer. Now, the next question. What is the next question? Find the mean of the following data. Now, what is the difference between previous question, this question? In previous question, directly they gave the marks. But now, it is not marks, it is the range 0 to 20. Now also the formula is same. Find the mean. Sigma fx by n. Sigma fx by n. So what is the number of students? It is a frequency. It is a frequency. First to find the sum. First to find the sum of all these values. What is the total? 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 48 plus 2, 50. So 50. N value is 50. Now, if range is given, find the middle value. Find the middle value. The middle value of 0 into 20 is 10. 0 plus 20 by 2 is 10. 20 plus 40 by 2. 60 by 2 is 30. 60 plus 40 plus 60, 100. 100 by 2, 50. 60 plus 80, 140. 140 by 2, 70. 80 plus 100, 180. 180 by 2, 90. 180 by 290. Now find the fx value. Find the fx value. What is fx value? What is fx value? F into X. F into X. 12 into 10, 120. 15 into 30, 450. 5 into 50, 250. 10 into 70, 700. 8 into 90, 720. 720. Find the total. First find the tens. First find the hundreds. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 2100. 2100. Plus 50 plus 50, 100. 120 plus 20, 140. 140. So 2240. 2240. So what is your answer? Sigma fx by n. Sigma fx is 2240. 2240 by 50. This is 0 0 cancel. Any number divided by 5 or 50 or 500. First double of the numerator. Double of 224 is 448. In denominator only 5 is there. So after one digit put a point. So what your answer is 44.8. Therefore the mean marks or the average marks of 50 students is 44.8. Now here some questions are there. Find the homework questions. Try to find the answer. Let it is homework question. Number of employees. This is x. This is f value. This is f value. Find the sum of these values. It will become n. Then next one is find the x value. I will give small hint. It is homework question. Frequency is f. X. What is x? The average of 5,000 into 10,000. 12,000. It is 7,500. 7,500. 10,000 into 15,000. 12,500. 12,500. 15,000 into 20,000. 17,500. 20,000, 25,000. 22,500. 25,000, 30,000. 27,500. Now find the fx value. Fx means 25 into this 7,500. And finally find the sigma fx. Sigma fx by n is right answer. This is homework question. Find the answer. Here one more homework question is there. Weight in kgs and the number of students. Number of students and their weight in kgs. So okay, it is also homework question. Find the answer. Then tomorrow we'll discuss one more topic. Thank you.